Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Unlock your device and go to the home screen to start the process. Swipe down from the top or tap Settings app to access system options. Tap Sounds and Vibration or search for Sound in Settings to proceed. Locate Notifications or Advanced Sound Settings depending on your phone model. We will choose a specific notification category to change the sound now. If you want system-wide change, select Default Notification Sound instead. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off so you can hear test playback. Choose the specific notification category you want to change the sound for. Tap Default Notification Sound to change the system-wide notification tone. Scroll through the list and tap each tone to preview it. Use Play or Preview to listen before saving your new notification tone. To use a custom file, choose Add or Select from Files and pick an audio file under 30 seconds. Grant permission to access storage if the system prompts for file selection. Adjust media volume while previewing to set your preferred loudness level. After selecting a tone, tap Save or Apply to confirm the new notification sound. Send yourself a test notification or use the system test to verify the sound. If no sound plays, confirm volume, Do Not Disturb status, and notification permission settings. For app-specific tones, open the app settings and change its notification category tone directly. If your custom file fails, convert it to MP3 or AAC and try again. Restart your device if settings do not apply immediately and retest the notification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.